Good morning, Jeffrey. Hello on Friday, the last day. It was a very short week, wasn't it? So, the last day of our tasks for today. If it's about math, we are going to have an online lesson, so I haven't prepared any tasks for you. I would like you to practice on athletics. So, choose the topics you think you should improve and you should practice a bit. I trust your self-assessment, so please be honest with yourself and do the tasks you think you should do. Okay, that's it. And for our Zoom lesson, you will need your math notebook and a pen, plus the whiteboard, because we are going to practice long division. Okay, I would like to remind you about the task from yesterday about the desert animals or plants adaptations. So remember to publish on Padlet one animal or plant and its adaptation. So Brinley, Hani, Aneli, Antek, and Yannick, they did their task. Great examples, and the rest will do it today probably. Yeah. So just remember about it. Okay, moving on. English. Today it's time for reading comprehension. You're going to read about some cute animals and penguins. So if it's about reading, I would like you to go to your to go on Google Drive, find your folder. I'm choosing okay, I uploaded. Talking about penguins, you need to download the file. Okay, then you open it and you are able to edit the file I uploaded. So you can write your name, read the text, answer the questions, and you can see some mm, blue boxes. So it means that you can type the answers over there, okay? And then you need to save it and upload it again on Google Drive into your folder, please. Okay? So that's for English reading comprehension. Uh, if you would like to do something extra in your diary, I would like you to complete the story. So you and your friends are exploring the Arctic on a boat when all of a sudden the boat crashes into giant glacier. You begin to sink. Your friend begins to worry because she or he sees three polar bears in the water. She asks you, "What do you know about polar bears?" And you say, and that's what you complete, okay? So use your imagination, use the facts of the polar bears you're going to learn today, or you already know. So that's the extra task in your diary. And also in reading comprehension, I added, there are two tasks, two extra parts, which are not obligatory to be done. One is connected with vocabulary, and the other one with writing a short paragraph. Okay, so that's those two parts are also not obligatory, but it would be really nice if you do them. Okay, because remember that writing paragraphs is a part of our learning, and as long as we are not at school, mm, I would like you to write on your own. So the extra tasks, if you want, you can do later on and send me them like in 2 or 3 days, just when you will have more time to complete them. Okay. If it's about unit of inquiry, today we are going to learn to talk about polar climates, as you probably already already noticed checking the reading comprehension. So before you start watching the videos and the very short PowerPoint presentation I've prepared for you, I would like you to do some short experiments. You will need some very icy water, plastic gloves or rubber gloves, some butter. If you don't have them, if you don't have the gloves, you may use uh, the plastic bags. There are some alternatives written in the planner, okay? And there's also alternative experiments attached on Google Drive, okay? So if you don't have them, you can also use your bare hand, okay? So the experiment about icy water and how it helps, how the animals living in polar climate uh, survive there. Okay? And the other one is about penguins. And you will need two bird feathers. The crafts one will be the best ones, as we shouldn't collect any bird feathers. We don't know if the birds are sick or not. So if you've got any bird and the bird, like the parrot, and it leaves the feathers in the cage, you can use them as well. And if you don't have the craft feathers, just skip this part, okay? Your friends probably will do the experiments and that experiment, and they will share during our Zoom lesson with you, okay? So if you don't have it, just skip this part. And then there is a PowerPoint presentation on Google Drive as usually, okay? So if you check the folder for 17th of April, for the 17th of April, there is a very, very short presentation discussing the adaptations and other files. Okay, two videos to be watched to check the animals adaptations as well. Okay, and for the volunteers, I've got some family activity connected with penguins as well. You will need a partner for sure, and tennis ball and some small stuffed animal, maybe penguin if you've got. If not, use another one. And that will be a fun activity in which you will have to use your skills, sports skills, let's say, okay? And that's it for today. So not many tasks, I hope. Remember about our Zoom lesson at 11. So see you, see you at 11. Bye bye. See ya.